Are you tired of targeting keywords that never rank? Learn how to find low-competition keywords with high traffic in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to use SEMrush's keyword research tool to filter for easy wins. Follow these 10 simple steps. Head over to the free keyword research tool to find SEO keywords in seconds. Then, type in your seed keyword to get ideas. Now, enter a domain you want to analyze, like a competitor's site. Next, choose your target country, such as the US, from the dropdown. Click Search to generate the keyword list. Once the results load, click the KD% column to sort by keyword difficulty. Then, select Very Easy to filter for low competition keywords. Now, click By Number to review the search volume numbers for each keyword. Then, click By Volume to sort by search volume and see the highest traffic opportunities. Finally, click All Keywords to view the full list and pick your winners. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.